Hey guys, today we are going to look into replacing the cabin air filter on a 2011 to 2013 Dodge Durango. This should be the same all the way up on any other third gens. Similar process on the older generations as well, and most of the cars it's a similar process. If you haven't done this or curious how to do it, cabin air filter is right behind the glove compartment right here. So I do have a replacement cabin filter. Nothing fancy, it's just a basic cabin filter. I usually replace this every year or so. So you open the glove compartment and there's a spring loaded. I think it's called, I don't know what this thing's called. It's basically a spring to hold your glove box from dropping real quick. So just hold it from there and then push it down. You can let it go, and there's two tabs. Let's see, there's two tabs holding the glove box. One right here. It's easier on my car. Well, I think it's easier if you take out the tab on this side first and then go to this side afterwards. So I figured the easiest way to do is with a little bit of a help with a screwdriver. Hold it right there. And it's like just like that. So got that going. On this side, it's usually easy with the hand. I just pull it like that, and then the whole glove box just drops. It's been held by these three tabs right here, so you can just take it out. Alright, so that's where your cabin air filter is. Take this tab right here, push it inwards, and pop out, and there's a little tab right in the middle which is holding this door, so don't yank it out. This little tab right there. So open it, you got your door, take it out, and that's your cabin air filter. So easiest way, push it from one corner and pull it out a little bit and slide the cabin filter out, just like that. So look how dirty it is. This is just like a year old, probably about 20,000 miles right there. But so toss that aside. Alright, one thing I wanted to point, it shows you the airflow direction. So this cabin filter actually shows that, pointing down. Just grab your filter, work it into that slot. Like that, it fits in there. Then grab your door and put the ear side first. So there's a little latch over there, if you can see. Put it around and it latches, and just tighten it, push it in. There's a couple of ways where you can hold on to this, but I can just reach in and grab this cable out after I put the put the glove box in. So these 3 tabs go into those 3 slots like that, and then just push the glove box in. I can open it, reach into that cable, and work its way into the slot. Now you have a fresh cabin filter.